Hello my lovely foodies, how are you all doing? In the previous video tutorial of soya chap, we had learned to make soya chap sticks from scratch. And now here let's make crispy fried soya chap. For that we will take here 12 soya chap sticks. Before frying we need to make a marination for it. For that we have taken 3 tablespoons of curd. Thick curd. To this we are going to add 3 tablespoons of smoked hot mustard oil, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, that is zira powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, dhaniya. Add half to a teaspoon of chili flakes or add it as per your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, haldi, a teaspoon of garlic paste, LASAN, and a teaspoon of ginger paste, ADRAKH. Also add garam masala, half a teaspoon, black salt, kala namak, that is half a teaspoon, and finally salt. Add it according to your own taste. To this mix, let's now add a tablespoonful of gram flour, that is besan. Let's now mix everything together to get a thick nice paste. We are done with this. Have a look at it. Beautiful red colored marination. We forgot to add lemon. Let's squeeze in half a lemon. Now guys, we need to give small cuts or slits on our soya chap stick so that all the masala and oil penetrates inside and the soya chap gets flavorful both from inside and outside in every bite. Now nicely coat the soya chap all over with this made marination. And after we are done with all of them, keep them marinated at least for an hour. And for better result, if you have lots of time, you can keep it marinated for a day over your kitchen counter in winters, but keep it in refrigerator when it's summer. Now here, a day before we had marinated these soya chap sticks, we took them out couple of hours before we are going to fry them. Before that we are going to coat them with crushed cornflakes or cornflake crumbs. And then just put them in hot oil. Fry over a medium heat, flipping in between. And when you see outer crust getting crisp, golden brownish in color, it's time to strain it out. Serve them hot with any green chutney. I love them. They are just heavenly delicious, nicely cooked inside. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon so that you get notified on every video that we post on our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or Twitter. Till we meet again with another interesting recipe. Enjoy this one and bye-bye.